Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Heart, and today we are doing another unboxing. So I have here Holland's Thank You Tour fan project. So this was a project he held back in late March, early April, or just April. So it was quite a while ago, but I finally received it. I got one of the, I think like the lowest paying ones. So it isn't anything special compared to, I think, the E version. But nevertheless, it's from Holland and it's still very special to me. I have here my box cutter. This just came in today and it was raining, so it's a little wet. The box that is. Hopefully nothing inside is wet. Oh, really glad for this like bubble wrap bag. It would have gotten really wet. Oh, our first product. Oh, 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 oh. This is the actual album. So I'm going to turn this around because I want to leave that for last. So here first we have the Holland photo card. Oh, it's multiple. I really like this like aesthetic he has going on. Invitation from Neverland, thank you. This is the first, second, and third. And ooh, here are Polaroids. How many are they? Just one? I'm not familiar with Polaroids. I thought this was two or something. But look, every Polaroid that were sent in these albums are hand-signed by him. This one's really pretty. I'm not sure if it's just because I got this one, but this one is really pretty. It's so pretty. And what is this? It says handwriting sticker. Just like, I guess like samples of his handwriting, and they're in sticker form. So these 4 stickers, these 3, this one, these 2, and then these 4. I really like this one. This one's really cute. This one's from the Wish I Loved You Better music video. This sticker says gomawo, which means thank you. LGBT, love, Holland, which means Harling, our fandom name, and Holland, which means Holland. And then play. I like how they come in these like little protective seals. And then over here, there's a pin. Wait. Actually, no, it isn't a pin. I don't think so. Look at it. It's so pretty. It's like a little, like, I think tulip, red tulip. And it says H for Holland, probably. It's so pretty. Yeah, I think this is a pop socket. I don't use pop sockets and probably won't use this one, but I love it. I shall cherish it. I am developing a lisp. Oh my god. I shall cherish it. Alright, so here is the back of the album. So there are 4 tracks in it, which are Thank You, Imagination, Sparkling Star, and Loved You Better. I'm pretty sure these 3 songs are songs that he only sang in his European tour. So I actually haven't heard these, but I have heard this one, obviously. It says thank you. And I really like this aesthetic of like a plain color and then just like, I don't know, it's just so graphic, if that makes sense. I love it so much. Side, and let's turn it over. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love collages like these. Everything is kind of sparkly. It has like this little like freckle effect. Whoa! I like this so much. His little like CD holder is like clear. I really like that. And so like you could see the background. And just to show the quality, I will show the back of the CD. Very clean. No scratches. Here's Holland again from the picture. in the front. I love this style. Oh my gosh. I'm not a fan of that, but I love like this style, if that makes sense. Yes. Very nice. But not that yes, I'm turning the page. Ooh, thank you. So these are the lyrics to his song Thank You. I'm not sure how the tune goes, but I will listen to it later. Here's little Holland. Here's him in a cafe. Then these are the lyrics for Imagination. So I think Imagination is a shorter song since it has less lyrics. Holland's hand, being the professional he is. Here are the lyrics for Sparkling Star. This is Holland on a rainy day. And then here are the lyrics we know from Loved You Better. And these are just the credits. And that's it. This is Holland's tour Thank You album. So from what I just showed, it's not a very big album, but it does have its quality and its artistry in it. It has a lot of design from Holland directly, and I just really like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Governor Heart for more videos like this, and I will see you later. Bye!